Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel dedicated to helping you learn, grow, and succeed. If you've ever struggled with understanding legal or political conversations in English, especially in the context of the United States, you've come to the perfect place. Here, you'll learn all the basic vocabulary you need to confidently navigate the world of laws and politics in English. Today, we're focusing on essential political words, terms that will help you understand news reports, political debates, and even government policies. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone simply looking to stay informed, mastering these words is your first step. Let's begin with government, a foundational term referring to the system or group of people responsible for governing a country. In the U.S., the government is divided into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes the laws, the executive branch, which enforces them, and the judicial branch, which interprets them. Another critical word is policy, a plan of action adopted by a government or political party. For example, immigration policy, healthcare policy, and economic policy are all topics frequently discussed in the U.S. political landscape. You'll also want to know the term rights. These are the legal and moral freedoms guaranteed to individuals, such as freedom of speech or the right to vote. Understanding your rights is key to navigating laws and policies in any country, especially in the United States. Next, let's talk about Constitution. The U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land and lays the foundation for how the government operates. Knowing this term will help you better understand American laws and their origins. Finally, a word you'll hear often is election. This refers to the process of voting to choose leaders, whether it's a president, a governor, or a local representative. Elections are a cornerstone of democracy, and understanding this process is crucial to participating in political discussions. Remember, learning political vocabulary isn't just about understanding words. It's about gaining the confidence to engage in conversations that impact your life. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting our channel by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support makes all the difference and allows us to continue creating valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.